In this video, we will talk about how to change font in Windows 10. Step 1. Choose a font. Click on Windows icon. Open Settings. Click on Personalization. On the left, click on Fonts. Find a font you like use. For an example, I'm selecting Impact. Here, you can see the full name. Click in Search. Type Notepad. Select Open. Type the full name. And make sure, note the exact name of the font. Step 2. Create a registry file. Open the Notepad as same. Copy-paste the registry code in here. I have mentioned in the description. Replace your font name. Now click on File. Select Save As. Add the file name. Change font.reg. Change Save As Type to all files. Then click on Save. Step 3. Apply the registry file. Right-click on .reg file. Select Merge. Click on Yes. Again, click on Yes to apply the font. Here you can see the keys and values contained successfully added to registry. Click on OK. Now, click on Windows icon and restart your PC. So that's how you can change font in Windows 10. See you in the next video.